Want to secure your Binance account by changing your password? Here's how to do it. First, launch open the Binance app on your device. If you do not have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on your profile. Now tap on security option. Once you get here, you want to scroll down and tap on this arrow icon to reveal password. Now go ahead and select that. Now, Binance will first ask you to verify with your current password and may send a verification code. You also need to verify your account in order to change your password. Once that is done, go ahead and enter your new password. Then, confirm your password again. Make sure to select a strong password. Now tap on the submit option. Your password will be updated instantly. Remember, for security reasons, you won't be able to withdraw funds for 24 hours after a password reset. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.